Hi guys, this is Tony from Expressive Imagery here. For this video, I thought I'd give you a narrated flight since there are some special things happening here. It feels amazing to be able to fly just above the ground at high speed and to dart about the trees. At this point, I'm coming to a rest as I wanted to open up the throttle to see how much thrust was available. Here we go. What a noise from the motors there. It's like a rocket ship taking off. My plan here is to target that tree in the distance, make a sweeping turn around it and come back to my location. Making these bank turns and then flying along this track at speed is a great feeling. Hang on, what was that? Some kind of bird of prey coming up to see what I'm doing in its neighborhood. I found out that it's actually a black kite, and they come here often when the food is scarce out west. I felt quite privileged to be able to fly with this graceful creature in its own environment. To celebrate a great day of flying, I decided to push myself beyond my current speed limits. Here is my fastest part and could well be up to 50 kilometers an hour. Getting myself aligned to go round the tree. Now for the high speed low approach. Oops, what happened there? I lost the video feed and control of the aircraft. At this point I ripped off the goggles and tried in vain to see where the aircraft was. Nope. Can't see it. Switching on recovery buzzer now. Let's see if I can lower throttle for a controlled descent. Well, that didn't go too well. After about 30 minutes, I found the aircraft by listening out for its recovery buzzer and using the telemetry radio signal that was still being broadcasted. So let's inspect the damage. 2 broken props and a smashed camera mount. Doesn't look too bad. Back on the bench, I found that the flight controller was busted, so that's me out of action for a while. As they say in this hobby, fly, crash, rebuild, repeat.